My dear student, now today I am discussing about the non-metallic minerals part 3. So, we have also discussed in the last class about the metallic minerals, and under the metallic minerals you have also learned about the iron ore, type of the iron ore, manganese, gold, silver and bauxite, and where is also found or the distribution of the metallic minerals already we have also discussed. Now today I am also discussing about the metallic minerals. Under the non-metallic minerals we are you are also discussed about the mica. What is the mica? Mica is a mineral who found in our countries in the different parts. Firstly, important of the mica, it is also it is also used in the electrical and the electronic industries. Electrical and the electronic industry. Mica is also used in the glass industry. It is also used in the aeroplane or the automobile industry. It is also used in the computer sectors. It is also used in the irons, and it is also used in the metallurgical industries and glass harness industries. Mica is also used in the color industries. That means different types of the color made from the with the help of the mica or the use of the mica. So mica is also a very important parts and minerals who used by the peoples in the daily life. Mica, there are three types of the mica found in our countries: muscovite, biotite, and the flugopite. But muscovite mica found in the white color, biotite mica found in black color, and flugopite mica found in yellow color. And it is also known as the a bad conductor of the heat and the electricity. It is also used in the lubricants and the paint industries also. Now, in our country, where is also found mica? That means the distribution of the mica. Distribution of mica in our countries. Where is also found? So mica mainly found in our countries in the Jharkhand, uh, Odisha, MP, that means Madhya Pradesh regions, AP, Andhra Pradesh regions, and some parts of the areas who found in the Tamil Nadu regions, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Though these states is very rich in the mica deposits. In the you can also show on the map of India's distribution of the minerals according to the where is also found and rich. To some important areas mainly found in the central and the plateau regions. But in the world has also found Brazil, Russia, USA, Germany, France, and South Africa. Next, under the non-metallic minerals, you will also learn about the limestone. Limestone is the important parts under the non-metallic minerals. Limestones, it is also known as the raw materials of the cement industries. It is also known as the raw materials of the cement industries. Limestone mainly it is also used in the iron and steel industries. It is also used in the hardness rocks and made to the different types of the equipments use of the limestones. Limestone used in the stainless steels and the different types of the pots make limestone, and limestone also used in the batteries etc. made with the help of these minerals. So, in this limestone mainly found in the layers in our countries, and mainly it is also found at the located areas in the Madhya Pradesh regions, Balaghat regions, Shivpuri in the Madhya Pradesh regions, and some areas of the Andhra Pradesh regions, where is also located in the Karnataka, Bellary, Nellore of the Madhya Pradesh regions, and some areas of the Assam. So these areas has reached in the limestones, but maximum limestone obtained from the mines from the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh regions. So it is also very important parts of our life. Under the non-metallic minerals, salt. Salt is also important minerals. It is also found in the rocky. It is also called the rocky salt. Mainly, it is also found in the mountainous or the hilly zones in our countries, in the Vindhyan range, Aravali range, Satpura range, and in the northern parts, that means in the Jammu and Kashmir regions, in the Pakistan border, Kirthar, Suleiman range. So these area has also reached in the salt sectors in our country and the neighboring countries. So it is also daily used in the food industries, and it is also used of the meat packing industries. It is also used in the kitchen, and it is also used in the productions of the that means used in the soil, but for the productions of the coconut. So a salt is also very important for our life. Without salt cannot be easily survive of life without and tasteless life. So now next parts we will also discuss today about the conventional and non-conventional source of energies under the conventional and non, that means under the energy resource. Energy resource is the important parts of the under the minerals, because without conventional or the non-conventional source of energy cannot be produced of the power resources, and power resources mainly used for the run of in the car, motors, aeroplanes or the transportation works etc. So it is also very important parts, and any machinery parts also run or with the help of the energies. Without energies cannot be run, and life possible in this recent times and the develop of the economic sources. So conventional and non-conventional, these are the two parts of the energy resources. Conventional means which types of the resources used by the human beings in the from the ancient period or the since ancient periods until now. So it is also known as the conventional source of energy, but it is also found in the limited sectors, and after the long period of time usage, it is also evacuate of the areas or the shortage of the minerals and cannot be reproduced or the productions after the utilizations. Therefore, it is also known as the conventional source of energies. But non-conventional source of energy means which types of the energies usage or the produced for the long period of time and cannot be possible easily shortage for a short period of time or the long period of time. So, under the non-conventional source of energies, we can also studied about the a thermal power, a geothermal power, hydroelectric power, and tidal forces, solar energies, and two types of the energies under the non-conventional source of energy we can also discuss. And under the conventional source of energies we will also learn about the coal, petroleum, uranium, thorium, because these types of the minerals has also found in the short areas and very limited areas, and after the utilization may be a shortage from the mines and cannot be renewed about these minerals. Therefore, it is also known as the conventional source of energy. Now, under the conventional source of energy, we will also discuss about the firstly coal. You know, coal is also important source of energies. It is also found in our countries mainly in the plateau regions and river valley basin, where is also and we know the coal is obtained or made from the plant species and after the merge in the sedimentary rocks, that minerals convert into the coal and plant also convert into the coal. So, coal mainly found in the river valley basin in our country, suppose that in our country found the coal minerals, suppose that in this figure, this area, plateau, river valley basin, that means Damodar river valley basin, a Godavari and Mahanadi river valley basin, Vardha and Narmada Tapi river valley basin. These three areas in our countries known as the maximum coal deposit areas. In the Damodar river valley basin, Jharkhand, West Bengal and the Madhya Pradesh, Odisha region is very most important coal deposit areas in our country. And under the Mahanadi Godavari river valley basin, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, parts of the Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh region. So, this area is also known as the good quality of the coal deposit area. And Bardha and Narmada, Tapi, river valley basin areas also known as the good quality of the coal mines. So, under these mines, we will also discuss about detail about the Jharia coal mines found in the Jharkhand, Bokaro, Dhanbad, Giridih, Kodarma. These mines is the famous in Jharkhand, but in the West Bengal region, Raniganj coal mines, in the Odisha, Talcher coal mines, Talcher. In the Odisha is the famous coal mines, Mayurbhanj districts and Koraput districts of the Chhattisgarh regions, Bardha under the Bardha and Narmada and Tapi river valley basin. In this area is also found the Ankleshwar, Kaiga and some areas of the Karnataka regions, that means Bangalore areas has also found the shortage parts of the coals. So, it has also known as the good quality of the coal. You know, there are 4 types of the coal found in our country. First is the anthracite, bituminous, lignite or the lignite and the peat. These are the four types of the coal found in our country. But in the ancient period, coal also divided and deposited and structure made during the ancient period. There are two types. First is the Gondwana types of the coal and another is the tertiary types of the coal. Gondwana and the tertiary. These two types of the coal. Gondwana and another is the tertiary. These types of the two types of the coal according to the age and the formation of the coal. Gondwana is types of the coal is the very old and good quality of the coal. Under the Gondwana types of the coal on the anthracite and the bituminous. These two types of the coal found in the Gondwana types of the, under the Gondwana types of the coal. Approximately 10,000 years ago, these types of the coal also found in our country or the worlds. And the tertiary is the recent types of the coal, but it is also not a good quality of the coal. Under these tertiary types of the coal, you will also learn about the lignite and the peat. Anthracite and bituminous has very less moisture found in this coal and the carbon content of the carbon is very high. Approximately 85% to 90% carbon found in the anthracite and the bituminous. But in the lignite and the peat coals has also carbon found under and below the 85%. That means 65 to 85%, and the peat has 45% to 65% carbon content found in the peat. It is also known as the moisture coal. It is very release of the smokes from this coal and not usage in the blast furnace industries and the iron and steel industries. So mainly use of the anthracite and bituminous coal, mainly used in the iron and steel industries and the big and the large industries who run with the help of the power plants. And mainly power plant, it is also known as the thermal power plant industries. So it is also found in these areas, that means Madhya Pradesh regions, Odisha, Jharkhand regions, Andhra Pradesh regions, parts of the Gujarat, Rajasthan and the Maharashtra regions. These areas has also known as the Gondwana types of the coal. Next, tertiary types of the coal mainly found in the eastern parts of our country, that means Arunachal Pradesh, Assam regions, Nagaland regions, Meghalaya regions, and some parts of Jammu and Kashmir regions, and the south, that means Kerala and parts of the Tamil Nadu regions has also found the tertiary types of the coal. Next, next we will also discuss about the petroleum and the petroleum mines in the next class. Some points I have also discussed in this period. Next period we will also discuss about from the petroleum mines. Petroleum. Next day we will also discuss. Thank you.